Hey, did you know that 1 in 5 Americans have unclaimed property? And by unclaimed property, I mean money. I recently saw a commercial for unclaimed property and figured, why not give it a try? I didn't think there'd be anything there for me, but when I went to look, there was over $100 in unclaimed insurance money I should have gotten back for my old policy. Let me show you how you can check too. Let's go. Just go to Google and type unclaimed property and then your state. I put in Florida. The first entry is the government site for the unclaimed property search. Your state will probably look a little different, but I just put in my last and first name. It's not always about making money online. Sometimes it's about finding money. Good luck. So here are the 3 steps to start making money on TikTok. Step 1 is you're gonna choose a niche. If you don't know what a niche is, it's basically a category of people that you're going to base your product and your content around. If you're having trouble finding a niche, just Google best niches and you'll find hundreds of examples. Next, you're gonna need a product. And if you're a beginner, there's tons of products you can promote that you don't even need to own on a site called clickbank.com. Just figure out which niche you chose, pick one of the products it gives you, and click promote. You get a link that looks like this. Put that link in your bio and start creating content on TikTok. So the word on the street is that if you aren't promoting your online business on Pinterest, you're missing out. Let me show you what I did. First, I went to Pinterest.com and signed up for a business account. Next, I created a board around manifestation and meditation. I'm currently putting up a couple pins a day with 2 affiliate programs that I found on ClickBank. Please like and subscribe to see the follow-up. If you want to start your own online business but have no idea where to start, click the link in my bio and I'll show you how. So you want to take the 15-day Business Builder Challenge and get your business off the ground. Let's talk about what it's really going to cost. First, the challenge really is $7, and you do get a one-on-one meeting with an advisor, which is super helpful. Next, you're going to need a funnel builder. I use ClickFunnels. It's free for the first 2 weeks, but then it's $97 afterwards. There are some cheaper alternatives. GrooveFunnels is an alternative to ClickFunnels, but there are limitations with the free version. Next, you're going to need an email autoresponder. I use Aweber. Aweber is free for the first 500 subscribers, and you can also make a landing page on Aweber. And last, you'll need a domain name. I use HostGator, and for just under $13, I get a domain name and email. So this is the actual cost for a beginner to get your business going. If you're interested in starting your own business, click the link in my bio and I'll show you how. Side hustle alert, here's how I take furniture flipping to a whole new level. Check it out. I took this and turned it into this. The first thing we need to do is find some free stuff. So go someplace like Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp and search for free. The first thing you're going to want to do is clean it really thoroughly. I personally use Crud Cutter. It's a concentrated cleaner and degreaser. It's non-toxic and biodegradable. After you're done cleaning, next you're going to want to give it a light sand. After sanding, you're going to want to apply 2 coats of primer. The primer that I recommend is Bin Primer.